Hello, in this video we want to solve this question. Suppose 3x plus 2y equals to 10 is the relation between two variables x and y has SD 2. Find SD of x. Now what is SD? SD is the standard deviation. SD equals to standard deviation. What is standard deviation? Standard deviation is the positive square root of variance. Positive square root of variance. Now what is variance? Variance of x. Variance of x is formula is 1 by n summation xi minus x bar whole square. 1 by n summation xi minus x bar whole square. This is the variance of x, where x bar is mean of the observations. X bar is the mean of the observations. SD of x. We have to calculate the SD of x. SD of x is what then? Under root 1 by n summation xi minus x bar whole square. Now SD of y is given as 2. I am writing here x. It shows that SD of x. SD of y is then 1 by n summation yi minus y bar whole square under root of the whole expression. 1 by n summation yi minus y bar is the variance. Therefore, positive square root of variance is the SD. This is given as 2. Now, what is the relation? 3x plus 2y equals to 10. 3x plus 2y equals to 10. Therefore, 2y equals to 10 minus 3x. 10 minus 3x. We take 3x on the right hand side and y equals to 10 by 2. 3 by 2x. That is, we divide both sides of this equation by 2. We get this expression y equals to then 5 minus 3 by 2x. Now, we take the summation yi equals to 5 minus 3 by 2 xi. Summation yi equals to 5. If I take the summation, then it becomes 5n, I running from 1 to n, minus 3 by 2 summation xi, I running from 1 to n, taking summation. Now dividing both sides by n. Dividing both sides by n, we get 1 by n summation yi, I running from 1 to n, equals to 5 n by n, that becomes 5 minus 3 by 2 summation xi, I running from 1 to n whole divided by n. Now what is mean? Mean equals to summation xi by n is x bar is summation xi by n. Mean equals to summation xi by n, I running from 1 to n. I running from 1 to n. Therefore, this is our x bar. 5 minus 3 by 2. This is x bar. Similarly, this is the mean of y. This is y bar. Now, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now, from 1 minus 2, we are getting yi minus y bar equals to, this thing 5 minus 3x, 5 minus 3 by 2 xi minus 5 minus 3 by 2 x bar. 5 yi minus y bar, we substitute the values of yi, we get yi as a 5 minus 3 by 2 xi and y bar as 5 minus 3 by 2 x bar. Now this 5 is a plus sign and this 5 has a minus sign. Therefore, 5 get cancelled. Therefore, yi minus y bar equals to minus 3 by 2 xi plus 3 by 2 x bar. This becomes minus 3 by 2 xi minus x bar. Yi minus y bar equals to this, or yi minus y bar whole square is, we take the whole square of both sides. Therefore, minus 3 by 2 becomes 9 by 4 xi minus x bar whole square. Now we take the summation, or summation I running from 1 to n yi minus y bar whole square equals to 9 by 4 summation xi minus x bar whole square, and dividing both sides by n, that is summation yi minus y bar whole square I running from 1 to n by n equals to 9 by 4 summation xi minus x bar whole square by n. Now this is what? This is the variance of y. This is variance of y equals to 9 by 4 variance of x. Variance of x. This is the relation we have derived. That variance of y equals to 9 by 4 variance of x. Now variance of y is given as SD of y is given as 2. Therefore, the variance of y is what? Variance of y is the square of the SD. Therefore, SD of y is given as 2. Variance of y is 4. Variance of y equals to SD y squared. This is basically 4. Therefore, variance of y equals to 9 by 4 variance of x, or 4 equals to 9 by 4 variance of x. Therefore, variance of x equals to what? This 4 goes here, 4 into 4 by 9, and variance of x equals to 4 square by 3 square. Therefore, SD of x is under root var of x. This is 4 by 3. Variance of x is 4 by 3. This is the answer. Then when the variance of y is 4, then SD of x is 4 by 3. The question is asked, what is the variance of, what is the SD of x? SD of x is 4 by 3. I hope everybody understood this problem sums. That's it for this video. Thank you.